Good morning, my YouTubers. This is your cameraman, Daniel Drevsky, for the new day of this construction on Laurel Boulevard. And today is January 18th, 2023, and the time is about 7:35 in the morning. Yep, and the high will be at 46 degrees. It's kind of cloudy right now, but maybe we'll be having some sun today. Who the hell knows? And right now, I think I see someone who is sky seeing. Yep, this is when they left off yesterday, like building like some woods and something like that. And no, I didn't do aftermath last night because of they were still there at 5:30 and 5:50. Never a dull moment. Yep. There's a school bus passing by. I didn't expect any of the workers to be there at 7:35. Another episode of this crap. There's a school bus. They've been doing this for the past 2 weeks and about 16 days. Some rainy days they couldn't do that, of coldest days. Yep, he's still doing it. So I hope you enjoyed this first video of January 18, 2023 update of the construction. I'll see you a little bit later as soon as I charge this camera a little bit. Until then, please comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like any other previous videos of the construction site. Later, folks, and I'm going to keep you posted. Bye.